Hi children, good morning. In yesterday's class, we discussed the problems based on area and perimeter of rhombus and the intersection of area and circumference of a circle. Okay, now here figure here area circumference. Here for the circle, the radius is given me pi r square and the diameter is given me pi d square by 4. Circumference of the circle 2 pi r and radius is given pi d and diameter is given for the circle only. And for the semicircle, semicircle is the half of circle. Diameter divides the entire circle into two equal parts. Each part is called a semicircle. For the semicircle, area is pi r square by 2. Half of the circle. In case of diameter, pi d square by 8, 4 into 2. Here circumference. Here the set of points which are equidistant from the fixed point is called circle. The length of these fixed points are called circumference. So area of circumference is half the area of circle only, semicircles. For the circumference of semicircle, here 2 pi r by 2 plus 2r mean 2 pi r mean length of arc to here 2 pi r by 2 of the circle. Then we have 2 types of r. So in total pi r plus 2r, pi r plus 2r, otherwise 36 by 7 r is the circumference of a semicircle. And in terms of d, here 36 by 7 into d by 2. 18 d by 7 is the circumference of a semicircle. Now, for the quadrant, area is 1/4 of pi r square in terms of r. In terms of d, pi d square by 16. Circumference. Here 2 pi r by 4. Again we have r plus r. Length of boundary is nothing but its circumference or perimeter. So here the arc is 1/4 of the given circle. That's why 2 pi r by 4 plus r plus r 2r. So here pi r by 2 plus 2r. Here pi by 2 plus 2 into r. 22 by 7, 7 is 14. So 25 by 7 r. Next, in terms of d, 25 by 7 into d by 2. So 25 by 14 d is the circumference of a quadrant. Here for the circle, area by r square by 2 in terms of r, pi d square by 4 in terms of d. Circumference is 2 by r in terms of r, pi d in terms of d. Semicircle, half the circle. So area is pi r square by 2 in terms of d, pi d square by 8. Circumference means half the circumference of circle in addition with the r and r, because circumference or perimeter is nothing but length of edges. In all the sides we need to consider. That's why here r and r also together will be treated as a semicircle perimeter. So 2 by r by 2 plus 2r. Here 2 to get cancelled. Pi in 22 by 7. 7 is 14 plus 22, 36 by 7 r. In terms of the 18 by 7 d. So quadrant, 1/4 of the circle is called quadrant. So here 1/4 of area. In terms of area there is no change, but in terms of circumference there is a change, because the length of boundary is nothing but circumference. Here length of boundary of the circle 2 by r. Here the length of boundary means r plus we have 2 radii or diameter. For the quadrant also 1/4 of semicircular part in addition with the 2r. That is the area here and the circumference of the given circle, semicircle and quadrant. Still we have sector. Okay. Now for the sector. Sector arc making an angle at the center of circle with a length of 2 radii is called sector. Already we discussed at the time of circles. Now here x means part of the area. Here let us consider the total part. Out of this total we have x the part. So the area is x by 360. Angles at the center of circle is 360 degrees. Out of 360, here the x is the numerator. The making an angle at the center of circle is nothing but the sector. That's why here x is called sectorial angle into pi r square. X by 360 into pi r square. Circumference. Before we are going to learn circumference. Okay, circumference means L plus R plus R. L plus R plus R is nothing but L plus 2R is the circumference. But what is L here? Here L means length of arc. Length of arc L. This arc making an angle in the center of circle. So here x by 360 into 2 pi r is L. Now x by 360 into 2 pi r, length of arc. Arc is the part of circumference. Arc is the part of circumference. While sector is the part of circle. So here L is x by 360 into 2 pi r. Now here x by 360 into 2 pi r into r by 2. Consider. Here x by 362 and 2 get cancelled. X by 360 into pi r square. So nothing but area. Mean area equal to L into r by 2. Here the length is multiplied with r by 2. Then we will get the area of the sector. That's why in terms of L also we can write the area of sector. That is LR by 2. LR by 2. Now for finding area of a sector, x by 360 into pi r square. Here x is sectorial angle. And circumference of a sector is L plus 2R. L is length of arc plus R plus R. L plus 2R is the circumference. Then what is L? L is the length of arc. When out of total semicircle 2 pi r, out of this 2 pi r, one of the part is length of arc. So L by 360 into 2 pi r. With the help of this result, x by 360 into 2 pi r, if you want to multiply r by 2, then you will get x by 360 pi r square, mean area. So in terms of L also you can write area of the sector, that is LR by 2. Okay, these are the formulas. Okay, now we will continue with the exercise. Find the area and the circumference of a circle are equal to 4.5 centimeters is square. Second, D equal to 14 meters. That is the limit of defined area under circumferences. We have area of circle equal to pi r square. Here pi being 22 by 7 into r being 4.5 into 4.5. here 20, 25 into 314. For 25 is 100, for 2 say it. Here 2025. Here 75, 0, here 6. 0, 5, 8, 15, 3, here 6. Okay. Here 6, 3, 5, 8, 5. Here it is 0. Here 2, here others here 4 bases in 63.585 centimeters square is the area. Now circumference. Circumference equal to 2 pi r. Okay, 2 into 3.14 into r means 4.5. Here 3.14 into 4.5 into 2 means 9. Here 9 4 36. 9 plus 3 12. 27 plus 1 28. Okay, 28.26 centimeters. The units of circumference, whatever the units given for length or radius, those units are considered as circumference units. Like area and perimeter. Like area and perimeter. This is the first problem. Okay, in case of radius is given. Okay, pi r square and 2 pi r. In terms of diameter. Next, second problem. Second problem, area equal to pi d square by 4. So here d 14 negative. So directly we can take as 22 by 7 into 1 by 4 into d means 14 into 14. Here 7 twos. Here 2 twos. Here 2 sevens. So 7 22s. 154 meters. 154 square meters is the area of a circle when diameter 14 meters given. Next. Next, C equal to pi d diameter. So pi means 22 by 7, d means 14. Here 22 2's 44 meters is the circumference. 44 meters is the circumference of a circle with diameter equal to 14 meters there. Diameter equal to 14 meters. We will find the area and the circumference of a circle when radius 4.5 and the diameter 14 meters there. Now find the area and circumference of semicircle. Circumference of a semicircle. Circumference of semicircle when r equal to 7 meters and d equal to 10.5 centimeters. R equals 7 meters and d equal to 10.5 centimeters given me. How to find area and the circumference of semicircle. Now we have area equal to pi r square by 2. half the area of circle is nothing but half area of a semicircle. So here half into 5 into 22 by 7 into r mean here 7 into 7. 7 get cancelled. Here 11 times 11 7 77 centimeters is the area of a semicircle. And circumference equal to 36 by 7 r. Okay, 36 by 7 r. Why? Because now only I do that. 2 pi r by 2 plus 2r. 2 and 2 get cancelled, pi r plus 2r. If you take r common, pi plus 2. Right? That's 6 by 7 r. So here 36 by 7 into r means 7. 7 get cancelled. 36 is meters. Here also meters. So meters. You get 36 meters is the circumference of given semicircle, and 77 meters square is the area of a given semicircle. Next, in case of diameter, second law, 10.5 d. So here pi d square by 8. So here pi mean 22 by 7, 1 by 8 into 22 by 7 into d mean here 10.5 into 10.5. 1 by 8 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 in 21 by 2. I will direct 10.5 also. Here 3 times get cancelled. Here 11 times. So here 11 is 33 into 21. 693 by 8 to 60. Okay, if you want in points also you need to convert. Here 693 by 16. 16 4 64. Here 53. Here 63 is 40. 8 5 50. Again 3 48 mean 2. 20 mean 1. Here 43.31 centimeters square is the area of a given semicircle and D diameter. Now circumference. Here 18 by 7 D, because R is D by 2. 2 get cancelled here. 18 by 7 D. So 18 by 7 into 10.5. Here 1 time, here 5 times. That family. Here 18 into 1.5. 9 into 3, 27 centimeters. 1.5 means 3 by 2. 2 here 9 times. 9 3 is 27. 27 centimeters is the circumference of a given semicircle when d equal to 10.5 centimeters thick. Okay, next. Find the area under circumference of a quadrant. When r equal to 21 centimeters and D equal to 28 meters again. But we need to find the area and circumference of a quadrant. Now only we discussed these problems. This formula I said earlier. So here quadrant is 1/4 of the circle. So area is also 1/4 of circle. Mean pi r square by 4. So here pi means 22 by 7 into 1 by 4 into here r 21 into 21. Here 7 3 times. Here 11, here 2. So 33 21s. Now only 693 by 2. In here 3 46.5 centimeters square. 346.5 centimeters square. My units are also important as well. In case of mensuration, they will check in terms of units also. They will confuse. Next, circumference. For the quadrant, two pi r by 4 plus 2r. Means pi r by 2 plus 2r also can take. So here half into 22 by 7 into r means 28 plus 2 into 28. Oh sorry, 21. So here 3 times here 11, 33 plus 42 means 75 centimeters is the circumference of a given quadrant. In case of R, okay, pi r square by 4 and 2 pi r by 4 plus 2r. Already if you know me, 25 by 7 r also you get it. 25 by 7 r. 25 by 7 into r. R is 21. Like 25 by 7 into r. 25 by 7 into r means 21. 25 is 7. That also again. Now, second problem. In terms of d, here pi d square by 16. 1 by 16 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 28. 7 here 4 times. 4 4 16. Again 4 here 7 times. 27 22 sevens. 154 meters square is the area of given quadrant. 154 meters square is the area. Now circumference. In terms of d, by here 25 by 7 into d by 2. Mean 25 by 14 into 28. Here 2 times 50 meters. In terms of meters they get that's right. 50 meters in the circumference of a given quadrant. Okay. In this video, we discussed the problems based on circle, semicircle, and the quadrant. here half of the circle, here 1/4 of the circle. So if you know the circle, you can automatically do the semicircle and quadrant with the help of area and the circumference of a given circle. Already we are familiar with this one. In 6th class also we learned briefly. Here semicircle and quadrant. Let's see with the sector problems also. Tomorrow we will discuss the problems based on area and the circumference of circle. Okay, when area given means circumference, circumference given mean area, means somewhat difficult problems we will discuss, and problems based on sector if possible. Also we will complete in tomorrow's class. Have a nice day. Bye.